Hello! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Realme Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application you should see the home page, and on it you should see your Realme Watch 3 right here on the list of my devices. Tap on it to select it. On this page, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the button called Delete Device. Tap on it, tap on Delete to confirm. The watch will reset itself to the factory default settings, and also it will disappear from the list of my devices in the app. And now you can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.